Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today I am pumped because we're outside. We're cooking outside on the 22-inch Blackstone flat top griddle. And what are we going to be making, Babe?
Oh, a delicious patty melt.
A patty melt. And what's the difference between a hamburger and a patty melt?
Bread?
The bun.
It's
the bun.
bread.
The bun. But
bun.
I mean, come on, with the grilled onions, the Japanese mayo, two different types of cheeses, the crust on the 80-20 beef. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
I love patty melts.
Come on.
You know?
Okay, you guys, are you ready? We're going to show you how we're making a patty melt. This is going to be epic. Let's go. Ready, babe?
I'm ready.
All right, and here we go. You guys, you seriously need to buy a Blackstone. For just over $100, you could whip up some awesome stuff. There's a link below in the description. It supports the channel. But seriously, this is really an easy recipe. Some breaded sourdough, a little bit of Japanese mayo. We're gonna caramelize those onions, 80-20 ground beef, a little salt, pepper, garlic on there. Two different types of cheeses. It's gonna be amazing. I mean, you guys, seriously. Do
you look this up?
Babe, I love sourdough.
I know you do, but rye.
Why would you want rye on a patty melt?
Because that's what you do.
No, babe, sourdough. All right, you guys, come on, let's talk about it right now.
Okay, babe, so I guess the trick to these onions is low and slow, like my motto. It's a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, and just the onions, and then on low heat. They're taking forever. I'm excited, but I do feel like they need a special sauce.
No, babe, the Japanese mayo is gonna be killer.
But it needs like a special sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh, those smell so good. This is
Babe, whoa. What is that?
My special sauce for my half of the burger, since you don't want to put special sauce on it.
And what's in it?
Mayonnaise, ketchup, and relish.
This is a patty melt.
Yeah, I know.
He don't give an F about nothing.
Okay, babe, now that they're cooked, cooking down and caramelizing, we're gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
Those smell like Disneyland.
We're gonna put these babies down. Ooh, hello. And then you want me to smash them, right? Like this? The point of the smash burger is to let the color come up on the side so you can see it cooking up, and that's how you get that crust. And then you flip it and you get the crust on the other side, and then it's really like tender and juicy in between. The color's coming up the side, so we're gonna flip it. Ooh, it has a very nice crust. Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah. Check on these here. Looking good, babe. Okay, so we're gonna drop our sourdough bread. We've got a little bit of butter on it. And we're gonna toast those little babies up while the other side of that burger cooks and those onions finish up. So we're gonna use our Kewpie Japanese mayo. I'm gonna put it on this side, flip it over and grill it again. Because I think when you grill the mayo, it is really yummy. Okay, so let's spread that out. Oh, sorry. Spread. One side's butter and one side is mayo. Let's see how delicious it all tastes. Okay, babe, we have two kinds of cheese. So we have American. We're gonna put one on each patty. And then we have Havarti. Okay. Okay, babe, are you ready to build the patty melt? Here we go. So we have bread with Havarti, our buns, some onions, bread again. And then I'm gonna lay a little bit of my secret sauce. Does that make you so mad?
Hey, what is that?
Secret sauce. You've got meat, onions. Oh, hi. So we have our patty melt here. We have 2 all beef patties that are 80/20. We have Havarti cheese. We have American cheese. We have grilled onions. We have a special sauce that I made, sourdough bread with Japanese mayo and butter, grilled. It looks fantastic. My goodness. I'm ready. This is a patty melt. It's really good. It reminds me of college, to a little diner I used to go to and get patty melts.
Now that you've had a couple of bites.
It's good. And the special sauce really helps. Even though you don't agree with it, I do.
Holy,
Wow.
holy moly.
That was a very yummy patty melt.
That was freaking crazy.
Yeah.
You guys have to make this. Look at how easy that was.
So easy.
Seriously.
And add the special sauce, I promise.
No, the Japanese mayo.
I mean, add them both.
No, just the Japanese mayo.
Add the special sauce.
The Japanese mayo. I mean, but silly. Silly.
So good.
Yeah. You guys, crazy patty melt. Crazy delicious.
Yeah. Crazy, greasy, like,
Dude,
perfect.
get yourself a little Blackstone.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you
yeah,
guys.
love it.
All right, until the next video. We love you.
Thank you.
Oh, we're going to go eat. We're going to go eat. We're going to go eat. All right. I'm so pumped. All right, see you guys later.